If you want to invest consistently without placing trades every time, this is one of the easiest ways to do it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up recurring investments on Wealthsimple so your money gets invested automatically. Let's get started. First, open the Wealthsimple app and log into your account. Once you're in, go to the account where you want to invest. This could be your TFSA, RRSP, or personal account. Just make sure you're in the right one before continuing. Now search for the stock you want to invest in and open its page. When you're on the stock page, tap on the trade button, then select buy. By default, Wealthsimple will set this as a market order. To change this, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap that option. Then switch it to recurring. One important thing to know here. This recurring option will only show up if fractional shares are available for that stock or ETF. If you don't see it, that's likely the reason. Once you've selected recurring, enter the amount you want to invest. After that, pick your start date. This is when your first investment will go through. Next, choose your frequency. You'll usually have options like daily, weekly, or monthly. For most people, weekly or because it spreads out your purchases over time. Then select your funding source, which is the account the money will come from. Before finishing, review all the details carefully. Make sure the stock, amount, schedule, and account are all correct. Once everything looks good, confirm the setup, and that's it. Your recurring investment is now set up. Now a couple quick things to keep in mind. Make sure you always have enough cash in your account before each scheduled investment. If not, the order might not go through. Also, if your investment date falls on a weekend or holiday, it will usually process on the next trading day. And remember, the goal here is consistency. Try not to change your setup based on short-term market moves. That's how you set up recurring investments on Wealthsimple. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple, step-by-step guides like this.